Hello, I'm Dr. Janine Crippen, a volcanologist, and this is my guest.
Hi, Mike Poland from USGS, and I'm the scientist in charge of the Yellowstone Volcano Observatory.
Thank you for joining me again. So I'm going to read out this headline of this fantastic article that has been written about Yellowstone, and then I'm going to let you talk about what's actually going on.
Sure.
So the headline, it's a really good National Geographic article by Robert Andrews. A chunk of Yellowstone the size of Chicago has been pulsing. Why? And go.
Well, it's been pulsing because this area around Norris Geyser Basin about 20 to 30 years ago seems to have experienced an intrusion of magma at great depth beneath it. And the hypothesis is that from that magma, there came fluids, gases, and water that migrated closer to the surface, and that caused the ground to move up and down over the last, say, decade or so. It's not a sign at all that the volcano is ready to erupt or anything like that. It's really more an interesting study of how we can look over decades and see what's happening beneath the surface at Yellowstone and track sort of an episode of change, which, of course, at Yellowstone is just constant.
Excellent. So, once again, doesn't mean Yellowstone's going to erupt. It's really important for people like Mike to understand the natural processes that go on at Yellowstone, so that with all of their monitoring equipment, USGS and the consortium that makes up the Yellowstone Volcano Observatory can tell when something is abnormal.
Yeah, it's really just an amazing study of how we can track things over time, now over decades, with incredible detail.
That is so cool. Thank you so much for joining me again. I'm sure we'll be back here sometime soon.
My pleasure. Take care, everybody. Be well.
Bye.
Bye.